Now, in question number 1, we have to sketch the graph of y equals to modulus of 3x minus 2a. Now, to sketch this graph, and in this case, a is a positive constant. When we are when we are asked to sketch the graph, what we have to show is basically we have to show the x and the y intercepts and the direction in which the line would be going. So first of all, for x-intercept, we'll take y equals to 0. So 3x minus 2a would be equals to 0. So 3x would be equals to 2a and x would be equals to 2a upon 3. So this 2a upon 3, we can plot it anywhere over here. So let's say we plot it over here and we'll say that this point is 2a by 3. And then as for the y-intercept, in that case, x is equals to 0. So we'll write y equals to modulus of 3 into 0 minus 2a. We will get minus 2 in modulus sign, which means on the graph, we'll put it positive as it's a modulus sign. So y would be equals to positive 2a. So let's assume 2a is over here. This will be positive 2a. So we will make a line like this, and exactly the same line would be made in this direction. And one thing we can also take into consideration is that this line has a gradient of 3. So if you want, we can show that as well. This line should have a gradient of 3, meaning that for 3 units on the y direction, it will move 1 unit on the x direction. So in that sense as well, you can sketch the graph. But what we have to show is the x-intercept and the y-intercept. We have to make sure that the graph is pointing upwards. It's a V-shaped as there's a model sign. In part B, it says, hence or otherwise solve the inequality 3x minus 2a is less than x plus 5a. Now, with a modulus sign, we can write it as a positive value. 3x minus 2a is less than x plus 5a. And we can also take the negative value 3x minus 2a with a negative sign is less than x plus 5a. Now solving both the equations, so we'll bring the x on this side. So this will become 3x minus x, which will be equals to 2x. And 2a will go on that side. So that will become 5a plus 2a, 7a. So x would be less than 7a upon 2. And in this case, we'll get minus 3x plus 2a is less than x plus 5a. So bringing the x on this side, we'll get minus 4x is less than 5 minus 2 will become 3a. Now, as there's a negative sign with x, so when we flip it around, this will become 4x is greater than minus 3a. And finally, x is greater than minus 3a by 4. And we can now write the final answer as x is greater than minus 3a by 4 and x is less than 7a by 2.